Hello. Thanks for watching Randy Hikes in Nature. I'm at Fort Desoto Park and I'm here to walk on the nature trail. So if you have never been to Fort Desoto Park, it is at the southernmost end of St. Petersburg, and to get to the trail, you drive almost to the end of the park, and it's directly across from North Beach. Turn where the sign to the picnic area is, and you'll find the trail. Something big is in those bushes. Not quite sure what it is. You can see you're surrounded on both sides by mangroves. It's fairly shady. Get a lot of protection from the sun. It is toward evening today. It's after 5. I actually came here, I'm camping at the park, and I'm gonna make a video about the campsite, the campground, so you can see more about it. But it's very nice. Try to be quiet, not scare them. The tide is low. You can see the water comes from here. See the bird. Oh, there they go. Wow. Beautiful. Just look at that. It's breathtaking. About some pros and cons of this trail. The most obvious pro is it's next to a gorgeous beach. I mean, enough said. Another pro is you are close to civilization. T-Mobile has great cell service. Heck, right there's a tower. So that's good. Another pro, shady. That's always nice. Let's talk about some cons. Bugs. 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 My own fault though for not putting on the repellent. Oh, I know where I'm at now. I came here a little bit ago and turned around, and then I turned right. So all I have to do is just go straight and I'm out. The markings are not that awesome, I can tell you. There's a lot of off trails. Now, maybe if it was first thing in the morning and I was sharp as a tack, I wouldn't mention that, but I don't think so, because usually when I hike, I don't think. I just literally follow my instincts. And I don't know, here I didn't have the best instincts, obviously, because I've walked a loop. Overall, I would say that this is it's a very nice trail. Very nice. And I'm definitely glad I came here. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. I very much appreciate those who view my videos. I make them to highlight what's most important, and that's nature. Keep hiking. This is one of the picnic areas here by the Fort Desoto Nature Trail. It's beautiful. Little bridge down there you can walk on. Look at that tree. It's awesome. Beautiful. Gotta love Florida.